What if you were only allowed to eat apples every single day? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, all you ever ate was apples. This is okay if you love apples, but during the winter, apples just don't grow. So you get hungry, you lose weight. That's the exact same thing as trading just one strategy on one currency pair. Sometimes you'll make lots of money, like here, and sometimes you'll be flat or lose money, like over here. And there's nothing wrong with this strategy, just like there's nothing wrong with apples. They're delicious, they're juicy, and the strategy works, just not all the time. What happens now when I say you are allowed to eat two different fruits? You can eat an apple and an orange, two totally different fruits. One grows in the summer, one grows in the winter, so they're juicy at different times of year. So an apple represents a trading strategy where you make a lot of small losses along the way, and every once in a while you make a huge profit, and then you start making a whole bunch of losses again, and then a huge profit every once in a while. And with a orange, this represents a mean reversion strategy. So here we're doing the opposite. We're making lots and lots of small profits, and then every once in a while you will make a huge loss, lots of little profits, and then every once in a while a huge loss. When you combine these two fruits, you get a delicious fruit salad. But when you combine these two strategies, you don't get just a strategy that is a combination of both, but you get something that's actually better than these two individual strategies combined. The trending strategy is okay, but you can see here the equity curve is a bit jagged. Same with the mean reversion strategy. It is a bit jagged. Individually speaking, they're not great equity curves, but when you combine them, you get something that looks much better. You can see this equity curve here is much smoother. Before we get into it, I just want to say a big thanks to Black Bull Markets for sponsoring this video. So if you're looking for a solid broker, Black Bull is definitely worth a look. They're a New Zealand FMA regulated broker in operation for more than 10 years. What I personally like is that they're designed for people who want to actively trade, and they offer an amazing 1 to 500 leverage, and your funds are held in different accounts than the company funds. You get really tight raw spreads, super fast execution speeds, and they've got MetaTrader 4, TradingView, CTrader, MetaTrader 5, so you can choose to trade manually or use robots to do the heavy work for you. They've also got different account types depending on where you're at in your trading journey. You can open a demo account if you just want to test things out, or open 3 different ECN account types. You've got standard, prime, and institutional, where you can get spreads from 0 pips. You can trade Forex, commodities, equities, indices, metals, a lot of different assets. So yeah, if you want a broker that offers free TradingView plans and a VPS for active traders, Black Bull is worth a look. I've dropped a link in the description below if you want to check them out. I've got here 2 strategies. The first one is a USD Japanese yen strategy that's been running on my live account for 4 months, and these are the results. And if we switch over to the second strategy, which is a gold trading strategy, also performing well on my live account. Let's switch over to the view of the backtest so we can see a much longer time frame of this particular strategy. And you can see it's not a perfect strategy. It's got flat periods like here. So both of these are trending strategies. You can see here where we're constantly losing probably over a period of 6 months before we make a huge jump in equity, boom, like I showed you before. And then we've got another slow period and then another huge trend that happens, which is where we're making profits when it trends. And if we switch over to the overview tab, which shows you the big picture stats of this particular strategy, we've got a profit trading at 0.1 lots of 5,400, and our drawdown is about $700. And for our second strategy, we're making a profit of $3,499, and our drawdown is small at only $200. But what happens when you combine them? So to do that, here I'm using a software called Quant Analyzer, and we're going to combine the 2 backtests, create a brand new portfolio, and then double click on the portfolio. So now our brand new profit makes sense. 3,000 plus 5,000 is about $8,000 in profit, but check out our drawdown. Our drawdown is actually smaller at $600. The profit of our combined portfolio is $3,000 plus $5,000, which gives us $8,000. The math makes sense. However, the true magic of a portfolio doesn't come into play until you look at the drawdown. For the drawdown, the first one made $200 drawdown, and the second strategy made $700 drawdown, which means this should be a $900 drawdown. But look, the actual final drawdown of the portfolio is less, $665. What? The math is not mathing. How can two numbers, when added together in a portfolio, make a smaller number, less drawdown? That's because these two strategies will offset each other. In the first chart, here we're losing money for the first 6 months, whereas in this strategy, we're making money, so they balance themselves out. And then here, where we're making a huge profit, here we're making a huge loss. So that's why in a portfolio, if you build the portfolio correctly and you pick strategies that are uncorrelated, the profits will increase, whereas the drawdowns will decrease. And you can see that in the combined equity curve here. The dark blue line is the combined portfolio, and these two little lines below is the individual strategies. Now, in this particular portfolio, we've only got 2 strategies, so you can't really see how much smoother the portfolio is. But if you look at the overall stats, you can see all the stats are generally better. The individual strategies themselves will have losing periods and have losing years. But check out the portfolio view. You can see every single year except for this year and way back when, most of the years are profitable. Adding 2 average strategies together is great, but what if you don't have a strategy? That's where the next video comes in handy. Here I'll show you how to create a profitable strategy without any programming. Thanks. Bye.